Hello, welcome to a video from anandbapu.com. Today I'll be showing you how to factor a quadratic. A quadratic can be written in standard form or ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. It's called quadratic because the highest power of the variable is 2, and this is called standard form. Now, first I'll show you how to factor a quadratic in which a is equal to 1. So the first thing you do is that you want to factor it into something like x plus p times x plus q equals 0. Now, since these two multiply to 0, one of them have to be equal to 0, because if one of them is 0, then the product will be 0. So now x is equal to either negative p or negative q. Now, if we expand this, we get x squared plus x times p plus q plus pq equals 0. Now, now the whole point is you're trying to look for two factors, p and q, that add to b and multiply to c. Now say we have the quadratic x squared plus 6x plus 8 equals 0. We're looking for p and q that multiply to 8 and add to 6. I think of 4 and 2. So what do? I do x squared plus 4x plus 2x plus 8 equals 0. Now I can factor and get x times x plus 4 plus x plus 2 times x plus 4. Now we factor out the x plus 4 and we get x plus 2 times x plus 4 equals 0. Now if you've noticed, we could have just went from 2 to 4. We could have just went and done x plus 2 and x plus 4 instead of these two steps. But I did these so you know why we can do that. X is equal to negative 2 or x is equal to negative 4. I will show you another example. If x squared plus 11x plus 18 equals 0, we have to look for two factors that multiply to 18 and add to 11. I think of 2 and 9. So now this time I will just do x plus 2 times x plus 9. If you want to, you can pause the video and try to do the grouping method and come to this, because you don't have to believe me, you can do this. X is equal to negative 2 or x is equal to negative 9. Now I will show you how to do this if your first coefficient was not 1. So say you wanted to come to this, ax plus b times cx plus d. When we expand this, we get acx squared plus adx plus bcx plus bd equals 0. So now we factor out finally, and we get acx squared plus x times ad plus bc plus BD equals 0. So eventually we're looking for AD and BC such that they add to get the middle coefficient, and then they multiply to get this coefficient times this constant, because AD times BC is ABCD, which is broken up into AC and BD. I'll show you with an example. Now, if we had 2x squared plus 6x plus 8 plus 4 equals 0, let me just fix that 4, plus 4 equals 0, we're looking for two factors that multiply to 2 times 4, 8, and add to 6. I think of 2 and 4. So what do? We do 2x squared plus 2x plus 4x squared 4x plus 4 equals 0. Now we factor, we get 2x times x plus 1 plus 4x, plus 4 times x plus 1, and we get 2x plus 4 times x plus 1 equals 0. Now x is equal to -1, or x is equal to -2. This is the principle. I will show you another example where the first coefficient is not equal to 1. 3x squared plus 11x plus 6 equals 0. Now we're looking for two factors that multiply to 3 times 6 equals 18 and add to 11. I think of 9 times 2 is equal to 18. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. So what do? I separate 3x squared plus 9x plus 2x plus 6 equals 0. I now factor. I get 3x times x plus 3 plus 2 times x plus 3 equals 0. Now I factor out the x plus 3 and I get 3x plus 2 times x plus 3 equals 0. Now x is equal to -2 over 3, or x is equal to -3. I hope you understood this, and if you're still having questions, please feel free to email me or write them in the comments below, and I will get back to you. If you're enjoying these videos, please subscribe, like this video, and be on the lookout for more videos, and check out my website anandbapu.com. Thank you very much. See you later.